Hi, and thank you so much for purchasing my income and expenses spreadsheet. Here is the video tutorial on how to use this. You first of all have on the annual overview to show what your annual income is, your total annual expenses are. This will show you your income by month. So you can just click on this and then you can see 4,000, 4,000. Your total annual expenses, it will show your expenses for January and each month. This will also show you a chart of your income and expenses for each month and then your net profit or income for that month. This will also show you your income and expenses for the year. Your transactions log will be like this. So you will have the date. So say we want to have 2/1/23. This will automatically change your month. So column B, leave that alone. That will automatically populate for you. Your type will be, paycheck or whatever the type is. You can change your drop down to income or expense. Type in paycheck. Paycheck, 2/1/23, and then your income, 2,500. So if you put an income, you'll put it on this column. If you have an expense, you'll put it on this column, and then it'll give you your net value. So for that, and then if you have any notes, you can have that there. So once you add this to February, it will automatically update your February income or expenses. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout.